Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Deel for contractor management strategy step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser on your device. In the address bar, type in www.deel.com and press enter. Once the Deel homepage loads, look for the login button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on the login button to proceed to the login screen. On the login page, you will see fields requesting your email address and password. Enter the email address associated with your Deel account in the first field. Next, type your password into the second field. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link below the login fields. You'll be directed to a password recovery page. Enter your email address there and follow the instructions sent to your inbox to reset your password. Once you have entered your email and password, double-check for any typing errors. If everything looks correct, click the Login button to access your account. After logging in, you may be prompted to verify your identity through two-factor authentication if it's enabled. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete any verification steps. Once you successfully log in, navigate to the Contractor Management section from the dashboard. Here, you can manage all your contractors efficiently. Explore the various tools and features available to enhance your contractor management strategy. Make sure to log out when you finish to protect your account. To log out, locate your profile icon at the top right corner and click on it. Select the Log Out option from the drop-down menu. You have now successfully logged in and out of Deel for contractor management. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.